Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur from BLT Niagara here at Revel Realty in Niagara Falls, and welcome to this month's Recipe for Success. Today we have Romana Costa from Stak and Go as our guest. Hi, Romana.
Hi.
All right, thank you for coming to be our guest this month.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so as you know, we ask you 3 very important questions.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, question number 1. What exactly is Stak and Go?
Stak and Go is reusable moving bins that we drop off at our client's house. They pack them, they stack them, and they move them, and then we pick them up when they're done.
Okay, awesome. I know that I supply these to my clients now, and they love them. They're durable, plastic, and you can fit a lot of things in them. Great answer, okay? Question number 2. Where do you cover in the Niagara region?
All over up to Toronto.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's awesome. So if you're moving, if we have clients that are moving to Burlington, Hamilton.
Yep.
Oh, that's great to know. And what do? They just drop them off and you pick them up?
Same thing, same thing.
Okay.
Yep, we drop
Great.
them off and then we pick them up when they're done.
Awesome, good.
Same
That's
if
great.
they're coming down also.
Okay.
So we'll drop them off and then we'll pick them up here.
Okay, great, good. That's good to know. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Question number 3. This is always the hardest question. Is why you? Why should our clients out here choose Stak and Go when they're moving for their boxes?
Well, for one, they're uniform. For 2, they come with a nice fitted dolly, which makes it really nice to move them. They stack. They stack nicely in a moving truck. Then you don't have to worry about if it's raining out, what the weather conditions are, because the bottoms won't fall out. You can pack them as long as you can pick them up and you can move them. Then you don't have to get rid of them at the end. Throw them at the curbside after you spend all your money.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. And you'll pick them up when you're done?
Yes, we do.
Okay, that's great. And how long do they have them for?
Usually we find a month is good enough. They can go longer because it's not very much more if they need them a little bit longer. Okay,
great. Awesome, awesome. I think all our clients are going to love these. Any real estate agents out there, if you're looking, make sure you get a hold of Romana after. These are really, really good for your clients. Okay, great job. So as you know, we do a draw each month. What do we have for a prize?
We have a $100 gift certificate for the keg.
Oh, awesome. I want to win that one. Debbie, come on, you got to drop my wife's name in this one. I want to win. Okay, okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
We have Kathy Weiner?
Kathy Weiner. Congratulations, Kathy. You're our winner. I think you won because you shared our last month's draw. Good. Congratulations, and thanks, everybody. Keep sharing. We love it. Okay, we'll see you again next month. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.